Good morning students. Today topic is scalar triple product and vector triple product. First is scalar triple product. Scalar triple product. Scalar means a dot product. Suppose we have to take a1 I vector plus a2 j vector plus a3 k vector is a vector. Next, second vector b vector is b1 I vector plus b2 j vector plus b3 k vector. Scalar triple product. Now first double product and then triple product. A vector dot b vector is equal to a1 I vector plus a2 j vector plus a3 k vector dot product of b1 I vector plus b2 j vector plus b3 k vector. We know that I dot I is 1, j vector dot j vector is 1, k vector dot k vector is 1. Using the concept I dot I is 1, j vector dot j vector is 1, k vector dot k vector is 1. Using this we get a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. Topic is scalar triple product. We have to take another vector c vector is equal to c1 I vector plus c2 j vector plus c3 k vector. A vector dot b vector of c vector is equal to already known a vector a1 dot b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3 dot product of c vector. C vector is actually a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3 into c1 I vector plus c2 j vector plus c3 k vector. Next, vector triple product. Vector triple product. Vector triple product means take three vectors. Let a vector is equal to a1 I vector plus a2 j vector plus a3 k vector. B vector is equal to b1 I vector plus b2 j vector plus b3 k vector. C vector is equal to c1 I vector plus c2 j vector plus c3 k vector. Vector triple product is a vector cross b vector cross c vector. First to find a cross b. A cross b is in the form of a vector cross b vector is equal to I vector j vector k vector. First a1 a2 a3 a1 a2 a3 b1 b2 b3. Expanding we get ijk form. Next a cross. Using this we have I vector of a2 b3 minus a3 b2. Next minus j vector of a1 b3 minus a3 b3 plus k vector of a1 b2 vector a1 b2 minus a2 b1 a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is vector double product. Vector triple product is a vector cross b vector cross c vector. This means I vector, J vector, K vector. First A cross B is A2, B3 minus A3 B2. Next minus of A1 B3 minus A3 B3. Next A1 B2 minus A2 B1, C1 C2 C3. Expanding, we get answer. Next is coplanar. Coplanar. Coplanar means two lines are said to be coplanar if they lie in the same plane. Next, if A vector, B vector, C vector be three vectors, then A vector dot B cross C or A cross B dot C vector is equal to the box product of A vector, B vector, C vector. This means first A vector means A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Expanding this, we get the box product of the three vectors, A vector, B vector and C vector. Now EX number 6.2, sum number 1. If A vector is equal to sum number 1, if A vector is equal to I vector minus 2j vector plus 3k vector, B vector is equal to 2i vector plus j vector minus 2k vector, C vector is equal to 3a vector plus 2j vector plus k vector. Find A vector dot B cross C. A dot B cross C means box product of ABC. Therefore, let A vector is equal to I vector minus 2j vector plus 3k vector, B vector is equal to 2i vector plus j vector minus 2k vector, C vector is equal to 3i vector plus 2j vector plus k vector is equal to A vector dot B cross C. This means box product of ABC. First coefficient of yj is 1 minus 2 3. Next 2 1 minus 2 3 2 1. Expanding 1 into 1 plus 4 minus of minus positive 2 2 minus minus 2 plus 6 plus 3 into 4 minus 3. This means 5 plus 8, 8 2 are 16 plus 3 is equal to 24. So A dot B cross C is A vector dot B cross C is 24. Next, question number 2. Find the volume of the parallel pipe. Find the volume of the parallel pipe whose cutter minus edges, minor edges are represented by the vectors. Represented by the vectors minus 6i vector plus 14j vector plus 10k vector, 14i vector minus 10j vector minus 6k vector and 2i vector plus 4j vector minus 2k vector. Let first vector be a vector, second b vector, third c vector. A vector is equal to minus 6i vector plus 14j vector plus 10k vector. B vector is equal to 14i vector minus 10j vector minus 6k vector and c vector is equal to 2i vector plus 4j vector minus 2k vector. Now volume of parallel 5, volume is equal to a vector dot b cross a, that is box product of ABC. Box product of ABC means minus 6, first a vector coefficient minus 6, 14, 10, 14 minus 10 minus 6, 2, 4 minus 2, expanding we get minus 6 into 20 plus 24 minus 14 into minus 28 plus 12 plus 10 into 40, 56 plus 20 is equal to minus 6 into 44 minus 14 into minus 14 into minus 16 plus 10 into 76. Now product of first two minus 264 plus before minus negative sign into negative sign is positive sign, plus 2 to 4 plus 10 into 7 6 0 is equal to 720 cubic units. Volume, therefore we have to take cubic units. Question number 3. The volume of the parallel pipe. The volume of the pipe whose cutter minus edges are 7a vector plus 7j plus lambda j vector minus 3k vector comma I vector plus 2j vector minus k vector comma minus 3i vector plus 7j vector plus 5k vector is 19 cubic units. Find the value of lambda. Find the value of lambda. Let first vector is equal to a vector is equal to I vector, no, 7i vector, 7i vector plus lambda j vector minus 3k vector. Second vector b vector is equal to I vector plus 2j vector minus k vector, c vector is equal to minus 3a vector plus 7j vector plus 5k vector. Now the volume is given by 90. First you have to find volume. Since volume is given by 90 cubic units, volume means a box product of A, B, C. A vector dot B cross C is equal to 90 cubic units. Coefficient of ijk, first vector 7 lambda minus 3, 1 2 minus 1 minus 3 7 5 is equal to 90 into 7 into 10 plus 7 minus lambda into 5 minus 3 plus minus 3 into minus 3, yes, minus 3 into minus 3 into 7 plus 6 is equal to 90. Now 17, 7 into 17 minus 2 lambda minus 13 3 is equal to 90. Now 49, 7 sums are 49, 4 1 1 9 minus 2 lambda minus 39 is equal to 90. This means 119 minus 39 minus 90 is equal to 2 lambda. So 119 39 80, here 90, 80 minus 90 is minus 10, minus 10 is equal to 2 lambda, 2 lambda is equal to minus 10, lambda is equal to minus 5. Hence the value of lambda is minus 5. Question number 4a. If A vector, B vector, C vector are 3 vectors, or 3 non-coplanar vectors, or 3 non-coplanar vector are represented by concurrent edges of a parallelepiped of volume 4 cubic units. Find the volume of A vector plus B vector of dot product of B cross C plus B vector plus C vector dot product of C vector cross A vector plus C vector plus A vector dot product of A vector cross B vector. Since A vector dot B cross C is given by volume 4 cubic units is equal to plus or minus 4 cubic units. Let A vector plus B vector dot product of B vector plus C vector plus B vector plus C vector dot product of C vector plus A vector plus C vector plus A vector dot product of A vector cross B vector. First multiply A vector dot B cross C. Multiply A vector dot B cross C is ABC. Box product of ABC. Next multiply B vector dot B cross C means plus B vector C vector. Next multiply dot product of B vector dot C cross A. अब BCA box product B vector C vector A vector box product plus C vector dot product of C cross A. So box product of C vector A vector C vector A vector plus C vector of A vector plus B vector. So box product of C vector A vector B vector plus A vector dot product of A cross B means box product of A vector B vector. Box product of A vector B is 0. Box product of C vector A is 0. Box product of B vector C vector is 0. So remaining 3 box products, one is ABC plus next one is BCA. BCA means CAB is ABC. So A vector B vector C vector. Since B vector C vector A vector is equal to C vector A vector B vector is equal to A vector box product of B vector C vector. Using the result, we have to take second one as box product of ABC, third one CAB. Using this, box product of A vector B vector C vector is equal to 3 into box product of A vector B vector C vector. Okay, this means 3 into box product of ABC is already known. Box product of ABC is given by plus or minus 4. Multiply by 3 we get plus or minus 12. This is net answer. Okay, hence A vector plus B vector in dot product of B cross C plus B vector plus C vector dot product of C cross A plus A vector plus B vector dot product of B cross C dot product of A cross B. A vector cross A B vector is equal to plus or minus 12 is answer. Next question number 6. Determine whether the 3 vectors two vector plus 3j vector plus k vector, comma I vector minus 2j vector plus 2k vector and 3i vector plus j vector plus 3k vector are coplanar or coplanar. Let first vector is equal to a vector. A vector is 2a vector plus 2j vector plus k vector. B vector is I vector minus 2j vector plus 2k vector. C vector is 3i vector plus j vector plus 3k vector. Now we want to find box product of ABC. A vector dot B cross C is equal to first coefficient of ij again A 2 2 1 1 minus 2 2, next 3 1 3. Now 2 into minus 6 minus 2 minus 2 into 3 minus 6 plus 1 into 1 plus 6 1 plus 6 is equal to 2 into minus 8 minus 2 into minus 3 plus 1 into 7 is 7. Now minus 16 plus 6 minus 16 plus 6 plus 7. How it is possible? Here minus 3 3 3s are 9. Now minus 16 plus 16 is equal to 0. B cross C is equal to 0. This means hence A vector comma B vector and C vector are coplanar. Sum is over. Next, question number 8. If A vector is equal to I vector minus k vector, there is no j vector. This means I vector plus 0 into j vector minus k vector. Okay, next B vector is equal to x I vector plus j vector plus 1 minus x into k vector. Next C vector is equal to y I vector plus x j vector plus 1 plus x minus y into k vector. So that the box product of A vector, B vector and C vector depends on neither x and y. Let A vector is equal to first vector I vector plus 0j vector minus k vector. B vector is equal to xi vector plus j vector plus 1 minus x into k vector. C vector is equal to yi vector plus xj vector plus 1 plus x minus y of k vector. Okay. Now the box product of ABC is equal to A vector, B vector, C vector is equal to A vector dot B cross C is equal to determinant of coefficient of ij in first vector 1 0 minus 1, second x1 1 minus x, third y x 1 plus x minus y, 1 plus x minus y is equal to first 1 into 1 plus x minus y, 1 into 1 plus x minus y minus x minus of minus positive x square minus 0 into bracket, next plus 1 minus 1 into plus, therefore minus into minus 1 into minus means minus 1 into x minus x into x is x square minus y. Now 1 into this 1 plus x is equal to 1 plus x minus y minus x plus x square. Now minus x square plus y plus y minus y cancel, minus x plus x cancel, x square minus x square cancel. So box product of ABC is equal to 1. This means box product of A vector, B vector, C vector is equal to 1 for all values of x and y. Box product of A vector, B vector, C vector depends on, this means depends on neither x and y. Hence the result. Question number 9. If the vectors ai vector plus aj vector plus ck vector comma I vector plus k vector and ci vector plus cj vector plus bk vector are coplanar, prove that is geometric mean of GM of A and B. Let A vector is equal to first vector ai vector plus aj vector plus ck vector. B vector is equal to second vector I vector plus 0 j vector plus k vector. C vector is equal to ci vector plus cj vector plus bk vector. Now the volume will be 0. Why? The reason is since A vector comma B vector and C vector are coplanar is given, are coplanar. Condition is box product of B cross A dot B cross C is equal to 0. This means A vector, B vector, C vector in box product will be 0. This means take first vector A vector, coefficient of ijk is A, C. Next 1 0 1. Next CCB is equal to 0. Expanding this, a into 0 minus c, 0 minus c, minus a into b minus c, plus c into c square minus 0 is equal to 0. C minus ab plus ac plus c square is equal to 0. Minus ac plus ac 0. Minus ab plus c square is equal to 0. C square is equal to ab. Taking square root on both sides, we get c is equal to ab. Square root of ab. C is equal to square root of ab means c is geometric mean of ab. Hence G is no C is geometric mean of A and B. A and B. Hence the result. Ex number 6.3. Sum number 1. If A vector is equal to I vector minus 2j vector plus 3k vector, B vector is equal to 2a vector plus j vector minus 2k vector, C vector is equal to 3a vector plus 2j vector plus k vector. Find number 1. Subdivision number 1, A cross B cross C. A cross B cross C. Let A vector is equal to first vector. Let A vector is equal to I vector minus 2j vector plus 3k vector. B vector is equal to 2a vector plus j vector minus 2k vector. C vector is equal to 3a vector plus 2j vector plus k vector. Now first to find A cross B. A vector cross B vector, cross product of two vectors, I vector, j vector, k vector. Coefficient of ij in A vector is 1, minus 2, 3. Next 2, positive 1, minus 2. 2 positive 1, minus 2. Expanding this, I vector 4 minus 3 minus j vector minus 2 minus 6 plus k vector into 1 plus 5, 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is equal to I vector into 1 minus j vector into minus 8 plus k vector into 5 plus k vector into 5. This means I vector plus negative sign into negative sign, positive sign plus 8 j vector plus 5 k vector. Now A vector cross B vector cross C vector is equal to again ijk, I vector, j vector, k vector. Coefficient of A cross B in ijk is 1, 8, 5. Next C vector coefficient 3 to 1, 3, 2, 1. Expanding this, I vector 8 minus 10 minus j into 1 minus 15 plus k into 2 minus 24 is equal to I vector of minus 2 minus j vector of minus 14 plus k vector of minus 22 is equal to minus 2i vector minus 2i vector. Next positive plus 14j vector. Next minus 22 k vector. Hence a vector cross b vector of cross c vector is equal to minus 2i vector plus 14j vector minus 22k vector. Hence the result. Next, question number 2. Question number 2. Find the value of a vector. Find the value of a vector. So that I vector cross a vector cross I vector plus j vector cross a vector cross j vector plus k vector cross a vector cross k vector. Now let I vector cross a cross c plus j cross a cross j plus k cross a cross. Using one more formula, a cross, this is important formula, a vector cross b cross c. 1 2 3. A vector is 1, b vector is 2, c vector is 3. Then 1 dot 3 of 2 minus 1 dot 2 of 3. This is formula. 1 dot 3 means a vector dot c vector of 2. 2 means b vector. Minus 1 dot 2 a vector dot b vector of c vector. Okay. Now first take I vector cross a cross c is equal to I vector dot I vector of a vector minus I vector dot a vector of c vector. In this case I vector. In this case I vector. I dot I is one already known result. 1 dot a vector minus I vector dot a vector into I vector. Let us take, let a vector is equal to a1 I vector plus a2 j vector plus a3 k vector. Using I dot a. I dot a means I dot I is 1. a1. So a vector minus a1 of I vector. This is first part result. Next, j vector cross a vector cross j vector is equal to j dot j of a vector minus j dot a vector of j vector is equal to j dot j is 1 dot a vector minus j dot j. Using this we get a to j vector. A to j vector. Next, k vector cross a cross k vector is equal to k vector dot k vector of a vector minus k vector dot a vector of k vector. Now k vector dot k vector is 1 dot a vector minus k dot k. K dot a vector. A vector is this, k dot k is 1, therefore a3 of k vector. So a vector minus a3 of k vector. Now the given three parts: I vector cross a vector cross I vector plus j vector into a vector plus j vector plus k vector into a vector cross k vector is equal to first a minus a1 I vector, next plus a minus a2 j vector, third one a vector minus a3 k vector. Collect a 3a minus a1 I vector plus a2 j vector plus a3 k vector is equal to is equal to 3a vector minus 2a vector. 3a vector minus a vector is 2a vector. Question number 3, prove that box product of a vector minus b vector comma b vector minus c vector comma c vector minus a vector is equal to 0. LHS equal to box product of a vector minus b vector minus c vector minus a vector. Box product can be written in the form of a minus b vector dot another two vector cross. So a vector minus b vector dot product of b minus c vector b minus c vector cross c vector minus a vector is equal to a vector minus b vector, first b cross c, next minus b cross a, second and first minus c cross a, c plus c cross a vector. Now first into b cross c, so a vector dot b cross c, next minus a vector dot b cross a minus a vector dot c cross c minus b vector dot b cross c minus of minus positive plus a vector dot c cross a minus b vector dot b cross c minus of minus positive b vector dot b cross a minus of minus positive b vector dot c cross c minus b vector dot c vector cross a vector. This means first box product of ABC, next minus box product of a vector b vector a vector, next box product of a vector c vector plus box product of A vector, C vector, A vector minus box product of B vector, B vector, C vector plus box product of B vector, B vector, A vector plus box product of B vector, C vector, C vector minus box product of B vector, C vector, A vector. Now double vectors inside the box 0, next 0, next 0, next 0, next 0, next 0. First is equal to box product of ABC. BCA means again ABC. BCA means again ABC. A vector, B vector, C vector. Box product of ABC vector, box product of ABC vector. Subtraction is an operation, therefore 0. Hence the result is equal to RHS. Hence the result. Sum number 5. Sum number 5. If A vector is equal to 2A vector plus 3J vector minus K vector, comma B vector is equal to minus I vector plus 2J vector minus 4K vector, C vector is equal to I vector plus J vector plus K vector. Then find the value of A cross B dot product of A cross C. First find A cross B. Let A vector is equal to 2I vector plus 3J vector minus K vector. B vector is equal to minus I vector plus 2J vector minus 4K vector. C vector is equal to I vector plus J vector plus K vector. First to find A cross B. A vector cross B vector is equal to I vector, J vector, K vector. 2, 3 minus 1, minus 1, 2, minus 4. Expanding this, I vector into minus 12 plus 2 minus J vector into minus 8 minus 1 plus K vector into 4 plus 3 is equal to I vector minus I vector into minus 10 minus or minus positive plus J vector into positive 9 plus K vector into 7. This means minus 10I vector plus 9J vector plus 7K vector. Next to find A cross C. Next to find A vector cross C vector. I vector, J vector, K vector. A cross C 2, 3 minus 1. C is 1, 1, 1. Coefficient of IJK is 1, 1, 1. Expanding this, I vector 3 plus 1 minus J vector 2 plus 1 plus K vector 2 minus 3 is equal to I vector into 4 minus J into 3 plus K into minus 1. This means 4I vector minus 3j vector minus a k vector. Now a vector plus b vector into dot product of into a vector cos c vector is equal to minus 10 I vector plus 9j vector plus 7k vector dot product of 4i vector minus 3j vector minus a k vector is equal to, we know that I dot I is 1, k dot k is 1, j dot k dot k is 1. Therefore minus 14, next minus 27, next 7 into 1 minus 7 is equal to minus 34, 74 minus a 74. Hence a cross b dot a cross c is minus 74. Question number 7. If a vector is equal to I vector plus 2j vector plus 3k vector, b vector is equal to 2i vector minus j vector plus k vector, c vector is equal to 3i vector plus 2j vector plus k vector. To find, then find a cross b cross c. Question. First let a vector is equal to first vector I vector plus 2j vector plus 3k vector. B vector is equal to second vector 2i vector minus j vector plus k vector. C vector is equal to third vector 3i vector plus 2j vector plus k vector. Now a vector cross b vector cross c vector is equal to only one more formula 1.3 of 2 minus 1.2 of 3. So first find dot product of 1 and 3. In this case a vector dot c vector. A vector dot c vector is 34 plus 4 38. First 1.3. 1.3 means 3 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Therefore 10 2 means b vector 2i vector minus j vector plus k vector minus 1.2. 1.2 means 1 into 2 is 2 minus 2 0 plus 3. So 3 of third vector c vector 3i vector plus 2j vector plus k vector 20i vector minus 10j vector plus 10k vector minus 9i vector 6j vector minus 3k vector is equal to 20. Here 20. Let us take 2i vector minus j vector plus k vector as b vector. Okay. 3i vector plus 2j vector plus k vector is c vector. Therefore 10b vector minus 3c vector. The comparison is LA vector, MB vector, NC vector. First compare 1 and 2. This is left hand side. Right hand side is given by since A vector cross B vector plus C vector is equal to LA vector plus MB vector plus NC vector. Already A cross B cross C is 10B minus 3C. Therefore substitute 10B vector minus 3C vector. Now comparing the two LHS and RHS, we get L is equal to compare the above. We have L is equal to 0, M is equal to 10, M is equal to 10, C is equal to minus 3, N is equal to minus 3, M is equal to 10, positive 10. Hence the values of L is 0, M is 10 and N is 3. Next, today homework, EX number 6.2, sum number 5, 7 and 10. EX number 6.3, sum number 1, subdivision number 2, sum number 4, sum number 6 and 8. Study well. Any doubt? Reply the message. Thank you.